Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about few things, not really, a lot of things, but few things, not related to Jira. I mean, it is related to Jira, but something different. So first of all, I want to say that I am I'm planning to, or I should say, I'm hoping to plan a meetup, and that meetup is something that I want to plan in India. Yes, I will be in India soon. So if you want to meet me, or if you think uh, you want to say hi to me, or maybe you want to have coffee or drink with me, reach out to me and let me know if you want to, if you want to do it. If you think you would like to meet me in person, then reach out to me. And yes, I would love to meet you. I'm not really sure how I would do it. Maybe I will, if let's say I have more than 10 people who want to meet me, I'll probably organize, a meetup somewhere. And by the way, this meetup would be in Delhi or NCR. So if you are in Delhi or Noida or Faridabad or Gurgaon or nearby areas, reach out to me and we can probably, do something about it. I mean, you don't really have to, but I think I would love to meet you in person. And usually, I think I mentioned this before. I don't really go to a lot of events, but if there is any Atlassian event in in Delhi and NCR region, I would love to attend. And maybe I will. I mean, if you want, if you are one of those community leaders or event leaders, reach out to me and I can probably do a talk or whatever, maybe on some topic. I mean, I don't really know a lot about apart from Jira and Script Runner, and I can probably talk about something. Or apart from those events, if you think you want to meet me, or if you think you can probably learn something from me, I would also love to learn something from you. So if you like having tea, coffee, beer, reach out to me. We can probably organize something. That is number one. Number two is, um, and I have to repeat myself. And by the way, how would you reach out to me? The best way to reach out to me is to go to my website ravisagar.in and click on this button and fill up this form. I will revert back, or you can send me a message on LinkedIn, and we can then talk over there. So most likely I will be organizing this meetup, and it may not be just one meetup. I'll probably, if let us say a couple of you are, or if some of you are maybe not available on that particular day, I'll probably organize something again, right? So do that. The next thing that I want to talk about is about my my company, Sparxsys. Now, a lot of you know that I run a company called Sparxsys. It's a small company, but we do really good work, high quality work, and we are growing. So we have a team of people, and we are all highly skilled Jira admins, Jira consultant, and of course script runner developers. So script runner is definitely one of our strengths. Now I am trying to grow my company, and I would love if I get more clients. So if you are working for a company or an organization, or if you are at a position where you make decisions, and if you are watching my videos, because it happens, uh, people at high positions in their organizations, I know some of them watch my videos because they reach out to me, then do consider Sparxsys services. We of course have not only experience, but we're genuine, we are honest, we will tell you what we can do, what we cannot do, and we are a bit blunt, which is, to be honest, is a good thing when it comes to uh, you know Jira consultation, because you can go in a totally different direction if you're not really getting a good advice. And we have been doing it. We not only we have been doing it for many years, but we have a proven like we have been doing it for many years, but we have done it for many organizations in different sectors, and we often advise people to don't do something like not use Jira or don't really install an app, because we know how to solve those problems, because we have solved it for other clients. So we can definitely help you, and we can definitely add value to your whatever you're doing, whatever you're going to pay us. So of course, we are going to charge you not only for free. For free work, of course, you can watch my videos. But if you can share in your organization that yes, there is a company called Sparxsys who can do really good work when it comes to Atlassian consultation, then I would really appreciate. And we have presence in India. We also have presence in the UK, and good thing is that we can support clients in Europe, clients in America, and also in India. And we have people. We have a small team, but we can definitely support you. So do consider us. The third thing that I wanted to talk about is about my content. Now, the problem with YouTube is that there is, of course, on YouTube you have videos, and you have a lot of videos, but YouTube is not really good in searching, because YouTube will, the way YouTube works is that YouTube will promote your video, or YouTube will use their own algorithm to do something with your content, and it is almost impossible to search for something. And that is why I have this website. To be honest, ravisagar.in is my blog, my personal blog, which I have been running for I think almost 20 years now. And on this website, on this blog, which is no longer a blog, I post all my videos. Now, you don't really have to go to these things on top like menu and whatever. You can search. So basically, all the videos that I have on my YouTube channel, I post it here. So there is a link of those videos here, and you can find those videos. I use these tags. So if you are doing something with Jira, or if you're looking for something with Jira, try to search here on my website, and you will find it. So for example, if you're looking for something, let us say you want to learn how to write a script validator. So I'm just doing a search here, and you will find some videos. If you're trying to do something with script post function, hopefully you will find something. Let us see. Yeah, you have something. So you will find plenty of I think not plenty, but you will find all the videos are here, because I have been doing it, and I find it bad because people are not really. I do get traffic on my website, but if you search for workflow, you can see so many videos where I have talked about workflows, right? So this is something that you can do, you should do, to search for the content. The last thing that I want to talk about is about my newsletter. Now, I think even in 2024, newsletter is the ultimate thing that you can do to stay in touch. If you want updates from me, then you can subscribe to my newsletter. You can click on this. You can go to ravisagar.in/newsletter, and you can subscribe to my newsletter. And when you subscribe to my newsletter, you will get updates from me. And to be honest, I don't really write regularly. It's occasionally, like once in a while, I would probably send you an update. But I'm trying to become a bit more regular, like my videos. I am thinking of posting something every week, maybe, let us see, but it won't be every day. Don't worry too much about it. But having a newsletter is the ultimate way to build your own community. I already have a community. I have a lot of people who are always in touch with me. And there's also one more thing, just one more thing. So I talked about I think I talked about a lot of things, but I think I talked about my website, ravisagar.in. I talked about my services, and I talked about a meetup. I talked about basically my newsletter. And the last thing that I want to talk about, I promise, is how you can reach out to me if you need my help. And I have to talk about it regularly. If you need my help, of course, you can add a comment on my channel if let's say you're watching a video. And if you think you are not sure about something, or you have a question for me, in all those cases, raise a ticket for me. Because if you raise a ticket for me, it will come in my backlog, because I have a ticketing system which is called as Jira Service Management, and then I will definitely reach out to like comment back or like revert back to you. So raise a ticket for me, because it will really help me to answer you or your questions. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I know I didn't really talk about Jira. I mean, I did talk about Jira, but I didn't really share any. I didn't really share any wisdom. I just talked about things that I wanted to talk about. All right, that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully you learned something new, and hopefully you will help me. So looking forward to meet you in Delhi. And I will also be in Goa, by the way, for a few days. So if you are in Goa, hopefully you can, maybe you will, maybe we can meet in Goa as well. I might be traveling to other places, but because I do have some plans, but Delhi is definitely, in the list, because I live in Delhi. And I'm also traveling to Goa. All right, that is it. Bye-bye.